Hello everyone, here is your quick and clear weekly update on the Indian stock market. The Indian stock markets closed the week lower. The Nifty 50 down by 106.50 points to finishing at 22,713.10. The BSE Sensex down by 263.67 points to finishing at 73,319.55. And the Nifty Bank down by 725.85 points to closing at 51,548.75. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, IT, metal, media, realty and oil and gas ended in the green, whereas healthcare index, pharma, consumer durables, PSU bank, private bank, auto and FMCG ended in the red. The Nifty 50 recorded negative participation with 20 advances and 30 declines. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Hindalco, Trent, Bharat Electronics Limited, Tech Mahindra and Adani Ports. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: HDFC Life Insurance, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy Laboratories, NTPC and Cipla. On the investment side, domestic institutional investors recorded net inflows of 27,980 crore rupees, whereas foreign institutional investors recorded net outflows of 27,874.29 crore rupees. Here is a brief overview of this week's market news. Coal India wins 1057 crore rupees 750 megawatt hour battery storage project from Telangana Genco to be completed in 18 months. JFE Steel invests 7,875 crore in JSW Kalinga Steel for 25% stake with plan to increase to 50% through further investment. ONGC begins gas production from $1 billion Daman Upside Development Project offshore Mumbai. NTPC adds 180 megawatt solar capacity in Rajasthan and Gujarat, raising total capacity to 88,889 megawatt. NTPC approves 8,995 crore rupees investment in battery storage and thermal power expansion projects. Bharat Electronics Limited secures two defense orders worth 1,660 crore rupees and 6,795 crore rupees, including satellite communication, electronic warfare systems, radars and avionics. Adani AgriFresh sells 50% stake in Vishakha Industries to Adani Properties for 13.27 crore rupees. Adani Global FZE sets up Adani Metals and Minerals FZCO in UAE to trade metals, jewelry and scrap. Adani Ports crosses 500 million tons cargo milestone, targets 1 billion tons by 2030. HCL Technology expands partnership with CrowdStrike to deliver AI-based cyber security solutions. L&T transfers Sufin e-commerce business to subsidiary Sufin Limited for 42.9 crore rupees. Wipro merges Rising Consulting USA with Rising LLC to simplify group structure. Mahindra & Mahindra reports 21% year-on-year sales growth in March 2026, driven by SUVs and tractors. NTPC starts new solar and wind projects in Gujarat, raising total installed capacity to 89,145 megawatt. Bharat Electronics Limited achieves record 26,750 crore rupees financial year 2026 revenue with strong order book growth. Eicher Motorsports strong financial year 2026 performance with Royal Enfield sales reaching record 12.39 lakh units. Tata Motors records 37% year-on-year growth in quarterly for financial year 2026. Passenger vehicle sales led by SUVs and EV demand. Maruti Suzuki achieves record financial year 2026 sales of 2.42 million vehicles with strong domestic and export growth. NTPC completes transfer of coal mining operations to NTPC Mining Limited. Indigo increases fuel surcharge on flights from April 2026 due to rising aviation fuel prices. Bharti Airtel crosses 650 million users, becoming the world's second largest telecom operator. That's all for this week's markets roundup. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.